Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Chapter number 6, Electronic Commerce and E-Governance. Today we are going to learn these topics. First, explain types of electronic payment. Then brief up security measures in electronic payment. Electronic commerce site use electronic payment, where electronic payment refers to paperless monetary transaction. Paperless monetary transaction. Electronic payment has revolutionized the business processing by reducing the paperwork, transaction cost and labor work. This is main advantage. It reduces paperwork, transaction cost and labor cost. Labors mean to employee cost, hamali cost. Being user friendly and less time consuming than manual processing, it helps business organization to expand its market reach. Expansion means they can reach to remote areas also. Listed below are some of the modes of electronic payments. Means with this mode of payment, customer can pay or business can pay to pay on electronic media. These are some electronic payment mode: credit card, debit card, smart card, e-money, electronic fund transfer, that is EFT. Now let's see first credit card. Payment using credit card is one of the most common mode of electronic payment. Credit card is small plastic card. It is small plastic card with a unique number attached with an account. Unique number means this credit card only has this number. No duplicate card number can be possible. One person has only one credit card. Just like Aadhaar card, one person can have only one Aadhaar card number. In the same way, this is unique number. It has also a magnetic strip embedded in it, which is used to reach credit card via card readers. When a customer purchases a product via credit card issuer bank pays on behalf of the customer, and customer has a certain time period after which she can pay the credit card bill. It is usually credit card monthly payment cycle. Following are the actors in the credit card system. Debit card. Debit card, like credit card, is a small plastic card with a unique number mapped with a bank account number. It has unique number also, and it has bank account number. It is required to have a bank account before getting a debit card from the bank. The major difference between a debit card and a credit card is that in case of payment through debit card, the amount gets deducted from the card's bank account immediately, and there should be sufficient balance in the bank account for the transaction to get completed. Whereas in case of credit card transaction, there is no such compulsion. Means if you don't have balance in your bank, then also you can do transaction. Debit card, like credit card, is okay. Next is smart card. Smart card is again similar to a credit card or debit card in appearance, but it has a small microprocessor chip embedded in it. It has the capacity to store a customer's work related and or personal information also. Smart card are also used to store money and amount gets deducted after every transaction. Means it also required your bank balance. It can only be accessed using PIN that every customer is assigned with. Smart cards are secure as they store information in encrypted format. It is more secure than debit and credit because it contain encrypted format and are less expensive. It is less expensive. Provide faster processing. Mondex and Visa cash cards are example of smart card. E-money. E-money transaction refer to situation where payment is done over the network and amount gets transferred from one financial body to another financial body without any involvement of a middleman. E-money transactions are faster, convenient and saves a lot of time. Online payments done via credit cards, debit card or smart card are example of e-money transaction. Another popular example is e-cash. In in case of e-cash, both customer and merchant have to sign up with the bank or company issuing e-cash. Electronic fund transfer. It is a very popular electronic payment method to transfer money from one bank account to another bank account. The most popular famous electronic payment method, electronic fund transfer. Accounts can be in the same bank or different bank. Fund transfer can be done using ATM, automated teller machine or using a computer. Nowadays internet based EFT is getting popular. In this case, customer uses the website provided by the bank, logs into the bank's website and register another bank's account. She can then place a request to transfer certain amount to that account. Customer's bank transfer the amount to other account if it is in the same bank. Otherwise, the transfer request is forwarded to an ACH, automated clearing house, to transfer the amount to other account, and the amount is deducted from customer's account. Once the amount is transferred to other account, the customer is notified of the fund transfer by the bank. Now we have seen some payment mode, electronic mode. There are many electronic mode other also. Now there can be many securities issue. If no security, then customer have no faith on this mode of electronic payment. So there are many securities. Some major security measures are following. First, we have seen encryption in detail. Encryption, what is it is? It is very effective and practical way to safeguard the data being transmitted over the network. Sender of the information encrypts the data. Encrypt means coded the data using a secret code, and only the specified receiver can decrypt the data using the same or a different secret code. This is encryption. The data is get encrypted. Then you have seen ciphertext here, plain text and encrypted text. Then digital signature is also it is also ensures security and authenticity of the information. A digital signature is an e-signature authenticated through encryption and password. Security next is security certificate. Security certificate is a unique digital ID used to verify the identity of an individual website or user. Okay, in this way we have seen some types of electronic payment: the debit card, credit card, smart card, e-money, EFT, and security measures, and why security measures is used. Okay, thank you.